Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Moong sprout rice, ghee rice. For that I have taken one onion finely chopped and sauteed in ghee. In the ghee I have added Shahi Jeera. Then I added the onion. Sauteed this for 1 minute. Then afterwards I add the Moong sprouts, and that also you saute this till the sprouts are cooked. Now I am adding the masala in this. This is chili powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, and a little bit of Dhania Jeera powder. Mix this well. According to your choice, you can add Pulao Masala or Biryani Masala. I'm making it very simple. Now I have cooked rice, half cup of rice I have cooked and kept for cooling it. I have added the coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. Now just separate this rice. I have cooked slightly softly. If you want, you can reduce the quantity of water and add it. To make it more rich and healthy for children, you can also add roasted almonds and cashews in it. While sauteing the onion and sprouts, I have added little salt in that. While cooking the rice, I have added salt in it and little bit of ghee. Mixed it well. Allow to remain in the stove for a few minutes till it is mixed well and tastes good. It's a easy lunchbox recipe, or if any guest comes unexpectedly, if we have sprouts at home, we can easily make this rice and serve it along with raita. The Moong sprout ghee rice is ready to serve. You can serve it along with any kind of raita, papad, pickle. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. If you're watching the channel for the first time, please press the bell icon and all options so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. This rice can be prepared immediately if you have sprouts at home. If any guest comes unexpectedly, this is an easy rice recipe to serve along with raita.